welcome to my channel. My name is Natalia and today I got something and it's really good. This was my first Jeffree Star Velour lip scrub. I got strawberry gum and it's so yummy. Like I need to know, do we have a calorie counter on this? Like, how many calories is this thing? Because it's a good snack. It tastes so good. I mean, it's pure sugar. I'm so bad. So I just figured I'd have some fun with this. I got this recently when I got all my lip products. You can find that video up here somewhere and down in the description below. And I'm gonna take off the lipstick and I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Jeffree Star lip scrub. It's so good, so freaking good. And to take off the lips and all the makeup, I'm going to use this Ayam Beauty Care makeup remover wipes. Works really well. But I'm just gonna do the lips first, and later after this video I'm gonna do the rest of my face. And I got these in BOXYCHARM, so I have my code as well as the link down in the description below if you want to sign up. BOXYCHARM, you get a lot of good stuff and I really enjoy it. Some boxes are good, some boxes are not, some products are fabulous, other products are like, what? But you get to explore new things sometimes, you know, things that you wouldn't have purchased yourself. And that's why I like BOXYCHARM. So I have actually done 3 videos, 4. I've done like 3 videos today. Well, this is my I think this is my 3rd video. I've done a lot of videos today, and so I removed makeup, put it on, taken it off, and I did the lip video. So I did all those different lip styles, and then yeah, so I've done a lot of lip stuff and my lips they're flipping out. I'm gonna zoom you in so you can see my lips. So you can see I still have like a whole bunch of stuff all over the place. Let's just remove all the makeup on my... Alright, there we go. Let it dry a little bit. See, right now with the moisture from the wipe, my lips don't look that bad, but my bottom lip, it gets really dry really fast. It gets really crusty. So this, I've been looking for a lip scrub and I'm not sure. If you know of other lip scrubs, please go ahead and let me know it down in the description below, because I'd like to try different ones. I really enjoy, I've been using this one since I purchased it. At least once a day, if not twice a day. And it's just a nice little scrub. Sugar scrub. That's why it's so good. I need calorie count. Calories. They really should be on here. But yeah, my lips, I have trouble with my lips. They need moisture all the time, and I just ran out of the Akar Lip Restoration lip product that I got in the Velour beauty box in February, and I'd like to try other products that are similar to that. Otherwise, I'm probably going to purchase that one again because I really did enjoy it. On all the products, here, I'll show on this one. You see this little guy right here with the open lid? It tells you that Jeffree Star's lip scrub, that this is only good for 12 months. So after 12 months, you probably shouldn't use it, although it may not be like super horrible. Who knows? I don't know. This isn't gonna last 12 months. So... But the Akar Lip Restoration product, it said it was good for about 6 months, and I was getting to month 7 that I had the product, and it's finally like, it's almost kind of like a Vaseline type product. It was getting to feel more like Vaseline than it did, you know, 6 months ago. So once it started getting like, it got really jelly. I don't know. It just had a different texture. It lost its oomph, and it's probably not, the products in it to keep your lips smooth probably weren't as potent as they were 6 months ago. So I decided to put that away. It went into my group of products that I've decided to let go this month, and I will be posting that video very, very soon. So please subscribe and hit that bell notification so when I go ahead and post that video, you know as soon as it's posted. Now let's get to like just having fun with this and snacking. So I'm just going in, just taking a pinch of it and just rubbing it along my lips. I got lipstick on my teeth. Yeah, so that's basically what you do. It is a little messy because I do tend to drop pieces of the scrub when I'm doing it, and I usually stand in front of my mirror that's just past this door, and it's getting all over the floor. And you have to clean it up right away because if there's so much rain outside my house that the ants are looking for dry land inside, and I don't want them to get into my room. So I vacuum that up right away. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom me back out. Now it's really nice because obviously it has to be safe around the mouth that you can ingest it if it's going on your lips, and you can either pick it away because it's yummy good, or you can use paper, wipe, whatever. And I tend to lick it away, and then I'll take a napkin or some toilet paper or something and just lightly get rid of the stuff further around my mouth because it kind of gets everywhere. Well, that was nice. But yeah, so my lips feel better, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and put some lip gloss on and keep my lips silky smooth. It definitely helps. Having the Velour lip scrub is definitely key to Jeffree Star's lip products because like when I use, particularly when I use Drug Lord, it tends to, when I put it on my lips, it tends to like skip over the parts where my lips break, where I have like skin that just does not want to be removed. See, I just need to work on my lips. Yeah, that's all there is to it. But when I put Drug Lord on my lips, it kind of like, I'll put it on and it will skip over where I have dead skin coming out. So it's really good to use the lip scrub like in the morning before you put on your lip products. Although everybody's wearing masks, so why are you putting on lip products? I mean, you should still always put on lip gloss, and then if you're doing, well, it's totally up to you. I'm doing these videos and stuff, I'm definitely going to use the scrub, and then I'll put on lipstick and all of that, and then I'll do my full face of makeup, and it'll be a little bit easier, particularly if I'm using Drug Lord, to put it on my lip and it won't smooth out. I don't really have that trouble with Mannequin or Are You Filming or Leo, which are the other Jeffree liquid lips that I have. Alrighty everyone, so that is everything. I highly recommend the lip scrub. I'm definitely looking for more options. I got the strawberry gum. It tastes fantastic, and I would love to try other products, so comment below. I'd love to hear what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe, hit that bell notification because more videos are coming to you, and I will see you guys on the next one. I hope you all have a wonderful, beautiful, healthy day, and I'll see you later. Bye!